Have you ever wondered if the universe is just a random accident, or if there's a deeper meaning behind it all? I mean, think about it, the universe is so massive, there are more stars than grains of sand on Earth. If that doesn't blow your mind, then I guess you've got space for a lot more mind-blowing facts. See what I did there? Many scientific theories point to the Big Bang as the beginning of everything: matter, energy, space, and time expanding from an incredibly dense and hot state. But could this moment also be when a divine force set the cosmos in motion? Alright, here's a riddle: what's everywhere, can be nowhere, and we still don't fully understand it? Dark matter. We've got theories, but it's still as elusive as trying to find the last piece of a 1,000-piece puzzle that's somehow turned invisible. Now, back to the big questions. In religious traditions, God is often seen as the creator who designed the universe with a purpose. But what does that mean in the context of modern science? Let's start with the concept of fine-tuning. The laws of nature, the forces and constants, seem remarkably balanced for life to exist. The chances of this precision happening by random chance seem astronomically slim. Some argue this is evidence of a higher intelligence, a creator who set the perfect conditions for life. However, others propose natural explanations, such as the multiverse theory. It suggests that if there are infinite universes, each with different laws, it's only a matter of chance that at least one, like ours, has the right conditions for life. In that case, does our universe's fine-tuning really point to a divine hand, or just the luck of the cosmic draw? And speaking of cosmic draws, do you ever wonder if there's a parallel universe where you made all the right decisions and now own an intergalactic taco truck? No? Just me? Despite all we've learned, there remain mysteries in the cosmos. Dark matter, dark energy, the very fabric of space-time, and the nature of consciousness, these are phenomena that science still grapples with. Some view these unknowns as evidence of divine action, suggesting that God's influence is present in aspects of reality that remain unexplained. But there's also the risk of falling into what some call the God of the gaps. This is when we attribute anything science can't currently explain to divine intervention. The challenge is that as scientific understanding progresses, gaps are filled, and the need to invoke God as an explanation might diminish. Here's another riddle: what did the physicist say when he found out the universe was expanding? I'm not surprised, I always thought it was a little spacey. Then there's the perspective of God as a non-interventionist force. The idea here is that God created the universe with its natural laws and processes but doesn't interfere. This aligns with deism, which views God as a distant creator who set everything in motion but now lets nature run its course. In this view, the universe operates according to discoverable laws, with no need for constant divine tinkering. It's like a grand clockwork mechanism that continues to function on its own after being wound up. Now, let's dive into the concept of the multiverse. The idea that there could be an infinite number of parallel universes adds another dimension to the debate. If countless universes exist, each with different properties, some philosophers suggest that the multiverse itself might reflect the creative nature of a divine being. But if the multiverse is real, does it undermine traditional religious ideas by suggesting that our universe isn't uniquely designed, but just one of many possible outcomes? Shifting gears, there's also the question of meaning. For many, belief in God isn't about explaining the physical universe, it's about finding a sense of connection and purpose. Beyond cosmology, spiritual experiences, moral questions, and the search for purpose remain central to human life. Belief in God offers a framework for understanding why we exist, the nature of good and evil, and the mystery of human consciousness. While science can explain the mechanics of the brain, can it truly explain why we feel, why we dream, or why we seek meaning? There's also the idea of pantheism, which suggests that God is not separate from the universe but is present throughout it, or even that the universe itself is a manifestation of the divine. In this perspective, studying the cosmos is seen as a way of exploring the nature of God. Thinkers like Albert Einstein describe scientific inquiry as a way to glimpse the mind of God. The universe, with all its wonders, could be seen as a sacred text written in the language of physics and mathematics. In the dialogue between science and religion, some argue for a complementary relationship, where science explains the how and religion explores the why. Integrative approaches like process theology see God as evolving along with the universe, not as an external, unchanging entity but as a force that grows and transforms as the cosmos unfolds. But hey, don't just take my word for it, ponder these questions yourself. Are we simply inhabitants of a random, indifferent universe, or is there a deeper connection that ties us to something greater? Before you go, here's a final riddle: why did the proton bring a friend to the Big Bang? Because it knew it would be a real blast. If you enjoyed this cosmic exploration, give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an episode. After all, in a universe as vast as ours, there's always something new to discover.
And thanks for watching.